Well, the project itself is actually for girls around the world, specifically in Nigeria, Turkey, and India, that don't have an opportunity to go to school because they don't have school supplies. As soon as they get this backpack, they can start going to school. It's unfreaking believable.
You need to be educated. You need to have power, and power does not come unless you are educated. So I'm very happy that girls will have this opportunity.
I think what's most special about this project is just the heart that's gone into it from the people participating. Well, obviously we're going to be packing backpacks, but I think really what's happening is we're changing the future for many young women.
A lot of things are going down there that's not so pleasant. I think they'll really appreciate this project. Coming from Trend Micro, amazing.
It just blows my mind. Like every year it's something new, it's bigger, it's better. I've been here for 3 years and I don't see myself going anywhere else. This is brilliant.
Yeah, act with care.
Never been a part of any organization like this before, and it makes me really proud to be a part of Trend.
This is so satisfying. We've come together and it's just reminded me how much we can all accomplish if we work together.
To be part of something, to be part of a company that puts this much heart into giving back to the global community is really something. I think we should really change our motto to just making the world better, because that's what we do at Trend Micro.